You will not believe how fast a faceless Instagram page can absolutely explode these days. We witnessed one account jump from 0 to over 75,000 followers in just 4 months by sharing super simple, faceless reels about self-growth. Most of their viral clips followed the exact same winning formula, so we decided to test how difficult it truly is to replicate that strategy on a brand new faceless page. Spoiler alert, it was surprisingly not hard at all, which is great news for you. In fact, we created 60 of those reels in less than an hour, using only 2 specific AI tools. We're talking ChatGPT for all the brainstorming and another tool for the heavy lifting. And the whole process is so straightforward, you'll be starting your own page by the end of this video. Alright, the absolute first step is to lock down all the content ideas for those initial 60 reels. We chose 60 because that allows for 2 consistent posts every single day for an entire month. And trust me, consistency is the key metric here. After analysing the successful page, we identified several clear content buckets that performed reliably well every time. These buckets included confidence, healthy habits, mindset, success strategies, glow-up tips, and general self-improvement topics. Those niche buckets are powerful because they're broad enough to generate tons of short tips, but specific enough that your audience knows exactly what to expect when they see your name. For our test, we landed on 6 distinct buckets, planning to create exactly 10 unique reels under each one to hit our 60-reel goal. Now let's break down the exact style we copied, because this is where the genius truly lies. Every single reel we mirrored was about 70 to 80 seconds long and presented 10 actionable tips on one static background image. I know it sounds completely counterintuitive. No fast cuts, no talking head, just one single frame. But this simplicity is exactly what makes it work so well. When the visual frame doesn't change, viewers have enough time to actually read the entire text without needing to pause the video. This naturally encourages rewatching to catch anything they missed, which increases the total loop time. Instagram's algorithm heavily rewards that increased loop time by pushing your content out to more people. We mirrored that proven format exactly. A single, non-moving frame with easy-to-read text layered over a cinematic, looping background video. So how do we generate the raw content material for 64 reels so incredibly fast? The answer is using ChatGPT with a few targeted and simple prompts to produce deep, highly organized lists of material. For instance, when tackling the healthy habits bucket, we asked the AI to give us 100 specific tips grouped into useful categories. We specified categories like physical habits, mental habits, morning routines, evening routines, and even micro habits for extra detail. The critical trick here is to always ask for significantly more content than you think you'll ever need. So we requested 100 tips per bucket. This volume then allows you to cherry-pick only the absolute best 10 tips for each individual reel you plan to make. We also instructed ChatGPT to output everything in a clean, table-like format so the data would paste perfectly into a Google Sheet without any messy reformatting. Within about 5 minutes, we successfully had 600 unique, categorized tips ready to be converted directly into video content. Now, this is where the second tool, Vizard, enters the picture and completely changes the entire workflow. Instead of manually opening and building 60 separate projects in a traditional video editor, we leveraged Vizard's powerful templating and auto-editing features. If you've used tools like InVideo or CapCut, they are fine for manual assembly, but they still force you into countless repetitive clicks, manual exporting, and separate re-uploads. Vizard effectively solves 2 major creative bottlenecks at once: high-volume content creation and streamlined distribution management. First, we designed one simple master reel template within the platform, setting up a standard 9x16 canvas. This template included one dedicated text block for the title, one large block for our 10 main tips, and a small footer area for our channel name, or a quick call to action. We then imported just one calming, cinematic loop to serve as the default background footage for all 60 videos. For this specific test, we intentionally selected unobtrusive footage like slow ocean waves or a quiet city night scene to ensure maximum text readability. If you're worried about sourcing footage, Vizard's built-in media library can also help you find perfect background clips that match your desired mood and duration. The real time saver kicked in when we skipped manually duplicating the template 60 times and jumped straight into Vizard's batch editing capabilities. We uploaded our entire Google Sheet containing the 60 different captions and simply mapped the text field directly to the template's main text layer. Vizard instantly instantiated all 60 unique projects, automatically inserted the correct tip text, adjusted necessary line breaks for perfect flow, and verified no text was too close to the screen edges. For those minor aesthetic adjustments, like slightly changing the spacing or wording, we made those quick tweaks in small groups of 10 projects at a time. This whole process, covering the heaviest lifting, was completed in mere minutes, not hours. Now, while we focused on static text reels, Vizard offers an incredible feature for creators focused on long-form content, auto-editing viral clips. This function can scan lengthy videos, pinpoint the most engaging segments, and automatically generate ready-to-post short clips for you. That auto-cutting feature is game-changing for repurposing podcasts or long YouTube videos into snackable, highly shareable content without any manual chopping. Once all 60 clips were successfully generated, we exported them all in crisp but efficient 1080p resolution, which is perfect for quick uploads. Next, we utilized that Vizard's content calendar and scheduling tools to define our precise posting cadence for the entire month. While Instagram's native Creator Studio allows you to schedule up to 25 videos daily, it's notoriously clunky for any bulk operation and doesn't manage cross-platform publishing. Vizard's auto-schedule feature takes over. You simply tell it how frequently you want posts to go live, and it queues them up consistently across platforms. That flexibility is key, because Instagram still heavily favors content paired with currently trending audio tracks. To maximize this, we scheduled our content in weekly batches, so we could dynamically select and pair the best trending sound for each specific reel right before it went live. Speaking of audio, once you upload the draft reel on Instagram, go directly to the music picker and select a soundtrack that has that telltale trending upward arrow next to it. That small upward indicator is a vital signal showing that the sound is currently receiving preference from the algorithm for reach. For half of our test reels, we used a simple "follow for more" call to action in the caption, paired with very targeted hashtags. For the other set, we asked ChatGPT to write a motivational 2 to 3 line micro essay that matched the reel's tone, and then we included the 10 tips in the caption text as well, plus a few hashtags. Finding balance here is crucial. Avoid over-tagging, but always use relevant hashtags alongside a clear call to action. If you're wondering how this directly compares to other editors, tools like InVideo are great for templates, but still bog you down in manual project duplication. CapCut is strong on mobile and for creative effects, but it completely lacks a centralized content calendar and any true bulk scheduling automation. Some newer AI editors offer auto-cutting, but often charge an exorbitant amount per video or deliver outputs that still require heavy cleanup. Vizard strikes that perfect balance. Its auto-editing handles viral clips, its batch text mapping creates dozens of static text reels in minutes, and the integrated calendar keeps your publishing perfectly consistent across your accounts. We successfully went from the initial idea to 60 fully finished, ready-to-post reels in under 60 minutes using this combined AI strategy. Our final setup involved testing 2 daily posting times, 11 a.m. and 5 p.m, for the first week to establish baseline engagement patterns. We will continuously monitor the data, tweak our trending audio choices weekly, and report back on the actual performance metrics soon. Because the real measure of success isn't just speed, it's about genuinely moving the needle on new followers and view counts. If you want the exact template setups, the specific ChatGPT prompts we used, and a detailed walkthrough of the Google Sheet mapping, all those resources are linked in the description below. Jump in, start your own Faceless account, post 2 videos daily for a month, and be prepared to be surprised by the momentum you build. Hit subscribe right now so you don't miss our follow-up report showing whether this method replicates that original account's meteoric growth.